Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this Mother's Day flyer using the templates. Okay, so I have made this template for you. You can use this template to create more than 5 flyers at the same time. So all you need to do is just click on the subscribe button and watch this video till the end. Then after that you'll get the package. Alright. So without much ado, let's start. So I have this template. I'll open my template in here. Then you have this, okay? And then you have this images. Then you have layer 2. So what we are going to do is that we are going to place our image, okay? Your mother, you're going to place your mother in layer 2. So don't drag your mother's picture the whole here to place it there. What you do is just click inside this thumbnail. Click inside this thumbnail, okay? And another smart document will open like this. Now here is where you are going to place your mother. So I have this picture in here, this in here. I think I didn't drag it well, so let me go back and drag it. So this is our lady, okay? So I have removed the background already, okay? Let me reduce the size more and see something. Okay, so what I'm going to do, you can see that the picture has some kind of some white this thing on it. We can remove it. I'm not going to do that. Let's maintain it. Our focus is on the Mother's Day. If you think your picture needs editing, you can retouch it and then you are free to go. So without much ado, I have this picture in here. I will press on Control X. Okay, so press on Control S, save it, and you go back to your main document and see. So this is what we have. You get a point. So as you can see, this image has pushed down. So what I'm going to do is to resize this image. So I'll go back again to that layer, that document, and then transform this one to this size. Okay, so it will be somewhere here. Okay, something like this is cool. Then press Ctrl S again. Let's go back again and see. Boom, this is what you have. How do you see this? It's very nice. And so you can save this one as one Mother's Day flyer. So this is the first Mother's Day flyer. If you want to create another one from this, okay, as you can see, I have added some effect. Okay, so you can unhide the effect, and then I just added vibrance and brightness. So you can just modify the brightness if and then the vibrance. If you don't like them, you can delete them. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is create another one from the same template. Okay, so the next one, I'll click on background. So with backgrounds, it means we have a lot of backgrounds in here. So I'll click on this one. Then see, I have a list of background here. So we have background. Okay, we have this one. We have this one. Okay, then we have this one. Then we have this one. Okay, so I'll go in for this one. Then I'll press on S. So go back again to your work and see something. Boom, how do you see this one? Very nice, nice, nice. Okay, so you can save this one as Mother's Day 2. for different mothers. You can change the picture and you can use this one as Mother's Day too. You see, we can create a lot from this. Okay, so you can go to the images, click inside this thumbnail and look at something here. Please watch this video till the end because I'm going to explain a lot of things in here. Then I'll go in for this. Okay, then save. Check something out. Yeah, let's go back to our original image. Boom, and you have this. How do you see this one? Very nice and nice and nice. So in just a minute or in just seconds, you have created your Mother's Day flyer with just a click. Please, you download this template. Okay, I'm going to put this template in the description, so go along. In the description I have written something like uh assets. Okay, asset resource or asset, any of them that you see in the description, you need to download it from there. Okay, so click on that link. So click on that link to download this template. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. You can just download the template and then insert any picture and move along. I love you all. Subscribe and like our video, comment, and let's hear from you. My name is Felix Bliss. Bye bye.